Good evening. So today we are going to present the e-commerce system that we built for the e-commerce subject. So our e-commerce system's name is Acquire. So in here we have four team members in my team. That meaning Shamadil Beratna, myself, Lukmanul Haq, and Chami Wakuluge. Also we have Keshant Udayakumaran. So in this e-commerce system, mainly Chami and myself were focused on the front end, and the Lukman and the Keshant were focused on the back end. So the main purpose of this e-commerce system is to build a supportive platform for the small businesses. But here we also consider the medium and larger businesses. So we now you can see the home page of our e-commerce system. In the left hand corner you can see the our logo, and right hand side you can see the search option, and we can see the profile. In here we have a purchaser sign in and my profile options, and also we have add to cart option. And in the middle you can clearly see the four tabs: home tab, and the product, and the services, and the about us, and also we have contact us. So if we move to the home page, if we a little bit scroll down, we all can see the popular products regarding the e-commerce system. All these products are coming from the small businesses, because the main focus about this e-commerce system is to support the small businesses. And if we a little bit scroll down, we can see the most popular services also, and we have here customer services and the uh, policies. Also we add the return parcels and the return services also. Also we have subscription options, and if we little bit scroll down, we can see our contact details and rest. So this is a very brief explanation and go through about the home page that we built for this e-commerce system. So I would like to hand over this explanation to the Chami to do her part about the products. Thank you.
Thank you, Chamali. So this is the product tab, and these are the functionalities we offer to the user under the product tab. User can select by categories and company scale from here by checking on them. When users select electronics, then it will show electronic devices, and we have added as user friendly, and we have considered about user preferences and satisfactions. That's why we have added these options. Although we have built this for small businesses, we have added large and medium company scales also. Here, yes, we have, when we go to the product, we can review the product details. It is showing different pictures in different views, and in here we can see the product rates and product details. And by scrolling down, we can see additional informations, and also we have added related products what user have selected. So when we go to the add to cart, here we need to select the color before adding to the cart, otherwise it will show in an error. Okay, so let's go to the cart. Here it's showing the item that user have added to the cart, and from here user can change the quantity also. So, and by click on checkout, if user have if not sign up to this page, first of all user need to sign up by entering their email and password. We need to select as buyer and then click on sign up. If user doesn't have account, then user need to sign up. If user already have account, then they just need to sign in. So here we have checked the product details and we have added to the cart. Now when we go to the add, by checking checkout, click on checkout. First of all, user need to add delivery details, first name and address. Then they can proceed with checkout. Here we have added two payment options, Stripe and cash on delivery. By clicking on checkout, it will ask that details and then it will set for the delivery. So that the part was done by my end. So I'm hand over to Chamudi to introduce about services.
Yeah, thank you, Chami. So, when we come to the services, it's same as the product part, because in here we have the all services as a combine. In the left hand side we can see the filters regarding the category of service, whether is a service is related to IT or anything, and below down it's we can see the companion scales everything. And in the left hand side we can see a drop down which is called the popularity of the service, whether it's a high or low something. So if we click on the service, can you click on the service, Keshan? Thank you. So if we click on the service, first we can see the all the reviews of the service that the previous customer has been used. Then also we can see the all the service details regarding how the services is working and what are the things that offering and the price. Also down we can see the services, whether it's a remote or a physical. This is a very important because without selecting this we cannot add it to the chart. So if you a little bit scroll down, we can see the additional informations regarding the related services, and little more down we can see the related services that we user have been choosed. So same as the product add to cart option, here we can do the same thing. If we go to the add to cart option here also, um, now we can see the services. Now we can see the clearly the how the price is working, how the delivery fee, everything. And when we click on the checkout, we can add the checkout details. And if the we using the payment gateway as a Stripe, then we have to go for the Stripe. If we use in the cash on delivery, we can simply having our services. So same as the products, the services part is also a very similar and very easy. The user can understand very much easily. There is nothing is complex here. And also I need to mention, in the services part, the search icon also are perfectly working. So the main thing about the services and product, we just need to build a very much user friendly e-commerce system to help to develop the small businesses, same as the medium and the large scale businesses. So this is regarding about what me and Chami built on the e-commerce system. Now I would like to hand over to the Lukman to talk about his part and backend and about us part. Over to you, Lukman.
Thank you, Chamudi. In this e-commerce system, me and Kesant build the backend. We used to create HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React JS for creating our front end, and we use Node.js for create our backend. Because when we use Node.js with Express for from this for the server side logic, from this we could create our system easily. They use Node.js, use JavaScript, usually handle things in the backend like servers, database, and APIs. And also, we use MongoDB Atlas for our cloud-based NoSQL solution that allows easily and secure data storage. This is flexible and easy, and in this we don't want a virtual VM. Also, we don't want to pay more, only we pay for what we use. In this our about us page, you can see we have used about us and we have at our goal. Our goal is enable easy shopping for technical and our services. Also, we use Cloudinary for at images and store images and use Stripe for easy payment method. By using Stripe, we can uh, use secure payment method easily. Kesant will explain the other parts of the backend system.
Thank you, Lukman. So in here, we have added another part for the contact details as well. So in the contact details, we have mentioned our location, our method as a phone, whether it's a fax or email, and we also mentioned the subscribe method in here as well. So you can subscribe to get the informations about us. And the main thing is when designing a responsive e-commerce website, it's important to consider the various screen sizes to ensure the layouts adapts well across all devices. Like in here, according to the device type, we have set the screen range with range. As you can see, we have according to the mobile type, we have set the target for the screen width as well, because responsive dimensions are crucial for an e-commerce site, because they directly impact user experience, sales, and customer retention. And when it comes to the login page, for the profile, we have buyer and seller profile. So at the moment, we have signed in as a buyer. So let's sign out and sign in as a seller to see the seller profile logging. So I'm logging as a seller. So when it comes to the password, we have followed the standard password requirements, like the 8 characters and the upper cases, lower cases. So if we enter just a random password without following the password, the requirements, it won't allow us to log in. So let's see. I'm entering as a random password. It will throw up an error like this. So we have to follow the standard password procedure to enter a valid password. And we are selecting seller, and for the business type we have to select whether it's a small, medium, or large. So I am selecting small. So we have signed in as a seller. And when it comes to the seller profile, as you can see, there's another option for sell. So if we click sell, it will throw another window by mentioning the publish items. Like in here, we can add the items that we want to publish. And after adding the items, we can see the listed items that we have published. And if we get any orders, it will reflect in here. So this is the view of the seller profile in our e-commerce portal. So this platform is designed to make online shopping faster, easier, and more enjoyable for both customers and sellers. So this is the very brief details and explanation about the e-commerce site that we built. If clarification needed, please don't hesitate to contact us regarding this. Thank you for your time and attention. Thanks.